What is the difference between a restraining order and an order of protection in New York? Many people in New York use the term restraining order when talking about domestic disputes, but courts typically issue orders of protection, and understanding the distinction is important. In New York, a restraining order generally refers to civil injunctions or temporary restraining orders in other types of cases, whereas an order of protection is used in family, criminal, or divorce proceedings. An order of protection is a court-issued document that sets conditions on someone's behavior to safeguard another person, such as staying away from certain places and avoiding all contact by phone, text, email, social media, or through third parties. Family, criminal, and Supreme Courts can issue these orders. In family court, the petitioner must allege a family offense and show a qualifying relationship such as spouses, relatives, shared children, or an intimate relationship. Courts cannot grant an order unless the parties meet one of these qualifying relationships. New York courts issue two types of orders of protection, full and limited, and the difference lies in how much contact is allowed. A full order of protection prohibits all contact with the protected person and requires the respondent to stay away from specified locations. It is usually issued when there is serious harm, threats, or high risk. A limited order, sometimes called a refrain from order, allows the parties to continue contact but forbids harmful acts like assault, harassment, stalking, threats, or intimidation, and it is often used in custody or visitation disputes. Violating either type of order can result in criminal contempt charges under New York penal law. Orders can be temporary, lasting while a case is pending, or permanent after a case concludes. Permanent orders usually last up to 2 years and sometimes 5. In criminal cases, the duration depends on the offense level. Violations can be punished as misdemeanors or felonies, with penalties ranging from up to a year to several years in prison, and aggravated violations involving injury or prior contempt can lead to up to 7 years. Strict liability applies to contact violations. The respondent can be arrested even if the protected person initiates contact because only the court can change an order. A respondent may challenge an order at a hearing but must continue to comply with it while the challenge is pending. Defenses can include showing that the allegations are false, that the parties lack a qualifying relationship under Family Court Act Section 812, or that the conduct alleged does not meet the statutory definition of a family offense. Either party may seek to modify or vacate an order, but any change must come from a judge. Informal agreements have no legal effect. If you receive an order of protection, read it carefully, understand every condition, do not contact the protected person, preserve communications, document your account, and consult a criminal defense attorney. Gather evidence and follow the order while your lawyer builds your defense. Ultimately, a restraining order is a broad term used for civil injunctions, while an order of protection is the specific mechanism New York courts use to protect people in family, criminal, or divorce cases and carries serious penalties for violations. Suffolk County Order of Protection lawyer Jason Bassett guides clients through these issues with over 2 decades of experience. An order can affect your home life, job, and reputation, making it critical to get help from a knowledgeable attorney at a reputable law firm. For assistance, contact the law offices of Jason Bassett, PC at 631-259-6060 or visit 320 Carleton Avenue number 4200, Central Islip, New York, 11722, United States. The law firm serves Suffolk County, Nassau County, and Long Island.